Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen. Commodity TV today out of Munich, out of our studios, and we are happy to present today Freyja Resources and Cyprium Mining to you. Funding discoveries through cash flow, not shareholder dilution. This is the business model and the motto of Freyja Resources. Andrew Saint-Michel, President and CEO, and Anna Lambert, Chairman of the Board, founded the company together and are experienced senior businessmen and worked since many years in the mining space. Freyja Resources' business approach to mining calls for establishing production in the short term and maximizing the potential of projects by funding extensive exploration through cash generated by production, not equity financings, thus limiting shareholder dilution. Freyja focuses on projects that have the following characteristics: located in northern Mexico with high exploration potential and short-term open-pit production potential. It has to be precious or base metals and should be located alongside well-maintained roads. The business model: Freyja Resources will use the cash flow generated by production to ensure sufficient operating working capital at all times and makes investments to increase production. Also, they want to fund continuous exploration campaigns and generate and acquire new projects. Freyja intends to participate in the business of processing copper cement concentrate in northern Mexico. Freyja Resources' Mexican operations are carried out under the corporate name Cyprium Mining. Cyprium is the Latin word for copper. Freyja Resources will change its name to Cyprium Mining Corp at its AGM scheduled for May 21st, 2014. The share structure is still small with 32.9 million shares outstanding. Management holds 5.2 million shares, respectively nearly 16%. Institutions hold 7 million shares, which represents 21%, and the rest is in the public with approximately 20.7 million shares, or roughly 63%. This shows that the management is really committed to the company. Fully diluted, the company has only 40 million shares outstanding so far. The main project is to bring back into production the Las Cristinas copper and silver mine located in Chihuahua state in northeastern Mexico. The company also owns certain processing assets at a plant located near the town of Coyame in Mexico. Both the mine and the plant are located at about 200 kilometers northeast from Chihuahua City, where the company's president and CEO lives. What is the strategy? Hybrid exploration. Generate cash from production to fund exploration. Focus is on low capex to production. The exploration target is 7 kilometers by 300 meters wide, mineralized corridor with copper and silver showings. They focus initially on a 1.4 kilometer key area at the south end of the property. Short-term production target is a 550 meter section of the 1.4 kilometer key initial area to the south end of the property. Well, what is the game plan? They want to initiate in 2014 a 600 ton per day open pit heap leach operation from the oxide and mixed copper to generate positive cash flow and attack the 7 kilometer target with extensive drilling. Also, they make plans for sulfide silver production in the northern end of the initial production area. Some sampling highlights. On surface, 30-meter wide sampling average of 1.7% copper, including a 6-meter high-grade section of roughly 2.4% copper, and underground, continuous trench sampling of nearly 3% copper and 105 grams of silver over 9 meters. So far, they have assay results of over 380 samples. Also, they obtained their permit to drill the mineralized zone and initiate 3,000-meter drilling program. The drills start in April and drill results are expected between April to June 2014. Also, they obtained the production permit and initiate oxide copper heap leach production in late summer 2014. The sale of copper concentrate should start prior to the end of 2014. Concentrators, tanks and filters to be moved to mine site, and buildings, land and other infrastructure are ideal for future plant growth. Let's talk about some key characteristics for Las Cristinas. Mining at surface is possible and visual evidence of mineralization is shown. Also, it has a low capex. Old workings, a quick startup of production, easy underground access and low mining costs are even more advantages of Las Cristinas. In summary, this is a new and interesting hybrid business model for mining and to start fast production without a feasibility study and reserves. If the company succeeds, they have a real competitive advantage and generate shareholder value. We keep you posted about the company, about this new business model. Make your own due diligence. Thanks and bye-bye from Munich.